So all on our first full day of traveling, we had the tire blowout, no running AC, we had the food spoilage, which cost a couple $100s, and we had the bike problem. So here we are, Amarillo, Texas. Hi, where are we? We're in Texas. It is hot. It is past 90 degrees here. We are looking at these cars in Texas. So check that out. Is it hot, you guys? Yeah. Look at that. It is so hot. Look how funny he runs. When he swings his legs out. You don't need spray paint, okay? Oh my, look at all these cans of spray paint.
Oh, look at my fucking brown spray paint, dude. It's all so thick.
Oh my god, look at the bags. Whoops, careful, Dad.
Find spray paint cans on the board.
And what are you guys writing? Your names?
No, Caddy, look at Mom. No, stand there. You gotta say cheese. Stand there. Look at Mommy.
Julie. Now Julie's going to be written on here forever and ever. That? And Veronica. And Abel.
Wanna go a heart?
Crusty.
No. Spray paint.
Gross.
It's all leaky.
Yeah, it's all leaky. Yeah. Look at this tire. Julie's leaving her mark behind. Is that fun, Julie? Driving right into the storm. Woo, bike.
Oh, bike.
Irina, choosing yourself a new bike? This is a huge Trek store. This is very, very big compared to ours.
Yeah. See that bike right there? It's
Mountain bike?
$7,000.
Which one?
This orange one. Really
The top?
cool. Yeah,
Looks like a mountain bike.
It is.
Ooh.
That's not it.
I know, but it's pretty much the same.
Yeah, they're almost all $7,000.
No. This blue color, very nice. Sky blue. Oh, this is what Julie got, this color. Julie just got herself a new bike over here. Yeah. Oh, look.
Golden City zip code.
That's a baby bike. Oh. Abel, that's a little big for you. Little baskets and little rings.
I like that cupcake ring.
Aw, that is so cute for a girl.
That unicorn.
Where is the? Oh, there you
these
go.
are cool.
No. All right, let's go. Let's go to Papa, guys. No, Veronica, we're not gonna ride any more bikes. Ooh.
Mom, it's something you want.
All right, let's go. Uh-oh, Irina. Uh-oh. You can't walk in here without buying a bike. No way.
And this one comes in
Oh.
at $8.49.
Yikes. I find it kind of ironic that Trek store next to this furniture store where it says furniture for less. And here you have a Trek store with bikes that cost more than $7,000. Really ironic. Alright guys, let's get going. Alright, back in the truck. Let's go.
Все, Вадик couldn't resist. He had to buy a new bike. What are you gonna do with the old one?
You know what I'm gonna do?
Love the trees here. So clean.
Is that day 5 on the
Oh,
road?
look at that. Camping in the middle of the woods. Day 5. It's 200 miles away from our first campsite. Beautiful, beautiful wooded area. Really gorgeous. Right, where are we? This is Arizona.
How far did we travel?
We still got 2 hours left to drive.
That's
No, it's not long after 4 days. 2 hours is nothing. Julie, look at these rocks. Look, you want to go rock climbing?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's going to take you a while to climb up these rocks.
Well, actually, no.
You guys even know where we are?
Yeah.
Where?
Mama крикнет я. Да?
Where are we, Julie? Oh, this is so pretty. Video just doesn't do it the justice at all. Okay, we are pulling up.
Keep right.
We are 8 minutes away from Hoover Dam. Can you see anything
Oh, yeah, you
here?
can see the water level. There
Oh,
it is.
there it is.
Zoom in. There it is.
Woohoo!
And the water looks beautiful.
It does look nice. There's boats on there.
That's Grand Canyon.
Okay guys, this is our day 5 of driving. I'm going to end the video here. So if you guys would like to see more videos like this, you would like to be updated on our videos and our vacations, just like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.